Welcome to the channel. Welcome to Paper and Moose. Today is a history behind the paper episode. And in this episode, we are going to let the photographs, paper, speak for themselves. If any of you saw one of my previous videos where I ventured to the Golden Nugget Flea Market, I purchased this photo album of Collins Street. And inside were some amazing photographs of the inside of a home during the period of 1913 to around 1915. The photographs are simple, sepia toned, but they have there's something about them that I wanted to share them with everyone. So if you like looking inside old homes, if you like seeing how people decorated in the early 1900s, if you're interested in the decor back then, or just want a glimpse into the past, then be sure to stay tuned for this episode, History Behind the Paper, as we venture to Collins Street.